There are renewed concerns of a possible dengue outbreak in St. Elizabeth following the death of a 9-year-old girl, as well as other confirmed and suspected cases. TVJ News understands that the parish health department has increased vector control activities with special focus on schools. TVJ's Krista Campbell has that story.
The welcomed rains after a period of drought in St. Elizabeth have now left a trail of worry for residents. An increase in the Aedes aegypti mosquito population is being blamed for a number of suspected and confirmed cases of the dengue virus in the parish.
I can speak personally from my office. We've had confirmed cases and a lot of suspected cases. This week we have had about 6 confirmed cases, and I don't want to give an exact number of the suspected cases, but much more than it.
9-year-old Dejanay Campbell has been the only reported fatality so far. The little girl died almost a week after falling ill 2 Mondays ago. Her father, Dwayne Campbell, spoke with TVJ News on the phone.
Bring her to doctor in Junction, and she got treatment for ear infection and tonsillitis.
When that didn't work, he said he brought her to the Mandeville Regional Hospital on Thursday.
She then in the hospital and do the blood test and whatever, and find she has dengue. Bring back the results to the hospital and start treat her, give her IV and something. In fact, she didn't get IV, so she go to the hospital.
But by Saturday, little Dejanay collapsed with internal bleeding, according to her father. Despite the doctor's efforts, he said she passed away about 3:45 Saturday afternoon. He's unaware of where she could have contracted the virus, but other residents from the Montpelier housing scheme in Gutters, where Dejanay lived, have either been suspected or confirmed as having dengue. Dr. Dwayne Spencer, who's a medical practitioner and also the PNP candidate for Southeast St. Elizabeth, wants the health ministry to act urgently to prevent what he says could be a dengue outbreak in the parish. Parish manager for the St. Elizabeth Health Department, Sean Brissett, says vector control teams have been responding to reports of suspected dengue cases.
Each time that the matter is brought to our attention, we send out our vector team to do fogging and source reduction, not necessarily in that order.
He says while public education is also being done, residents should play their part in identifying and getting rid of mosquito breeding sites from their surroundings. Meanwhile, he adds that special attention is being given to schools.
At the start of every year, and in particular under these circumstances, we go and fog this environment around the schools at the start of the school year, because we recognize that these students are quite vulnerable.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.